You know what you don't see very often? A teleprompter on a webcam setup. Elgato has finally done it, and the implementation is very interesting. Let's check it out. Welcome back. If you're new around here, my name is Chris, and this is Coalition Gaming, where I like to share my knowledge of PC building, repairing, and streaming with you all. If you're into that sort of thing, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any videos. If you're not aware of what a teleprompter is, it basically lets you read text while looking directly into the camera like this. If you ever have trouble remembering lines while trying to record anything, a teleprompter might be the solution for you. So let's throw it on my webcam setup using a Sony a5100 right there and see how it works. And for the record, I'm not actually using the teleprompter yet with this camera setup. I'm just talking to it. As you can see in the mirror right here, all you see is the camera, no prompter. And so here's the setup, mounted right above my monitor. Through the ring light that I had there, which was made by Newer, just one that I already had. And but I gotta say it was a little bit of a pain because of I have a unique mounting scenario going on. That whole ring light stuff and this flashbang light that I have for special redeems on my stream, it's held up by friction arms. So you can see multiple friction arms and stuff down here. Let me actually zoom in and you'll see it. There's a friction arm right there holding up this light, but under it you see the friction arm that runs up to holding that whole thing up. But because I like having this pole here in my triple monitor configuration, well, it's a triple monitor stand, but I only use 2 monitors on it. You see right there, there's another friction arm, and that's the arm that's holding up that entire rig. It is resting a little bit on that, and I zip tied to it to make sure that it wouldn't slip off of it. And then over on this side, it's sort of resting on the gas arm for the monitor. So I made sure to tighten it down, that way it wouldn't push my monitor down, but in the end, solid. The camera now is a bit harder to access though, because it's pushed so back against the wall because of the giant Sigma lens that's on there, but seems to work great. So here we are now with some real world usage of the prompter. Elgato really did their homework when coming up with this device. You've got universal camera compatibility, either using different step rings for different camera lens threads, a Facecam Pro specific plate, and a universal plate that will let you use any other webcam, camera, or even a phone. It even has cold shoe mounts to attach lights or microphones or anything else right on it as well. The best part? It comes with an integrated screen that you can put anything on. Your computer literally treats it as another screen, so you can drag your stream's chat onto it, a video, text, anything. Most teleprompter setups make you use your own phone or tablet, limiting you to just text basically. So the included screen is a huge plus in my book. Obviously, one of the greatest benefits of a device from Elgato is how it meshes into their ecosystem. You can change settings of this device in Elgato's Camera Hub software and even use your Stream Deck to control it and change settings there too. This is going to change things for streamers who like the idea of being able to look at their viewers while talking to them. Throw your stream chat up there and this will accomplish exactly that. It also makes life easier to record content for videos, exactly like what I'm doing right now. And also, it'll make it look like you're actually paying attention in Zoom meetings.
Daniel.
So, little benefit, extra plus. Usually, if I need to use my teleprompter, I have this $100 Parrot Padcaster that uses my $800 phone for its screen. But good teleprompters can reach into the thousands in terms of cost. So when I saw the price for Elgato's prompter being $279.99, I was actually a little impressed. I fully expected a cost of like $400 or $500, but $279 with the included screen and all the functionality and universal compatibility it has, that's pretty good. Do you think it's worth it? How would you use it? Drop a comment down below. Let's talk about it. Special thanks to Elgato for sending this out for review. All opinions are my own, of course. If you like this video, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button and that bell so you don't miss a single upload. Also, I stream to Twitch every Friday at 8 p.m. Pacific at twitch.tv/CoalitionChris. So feel free to stop by, drop a follow, and let's talk tech. Let's talk streaming. That does it for me. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out. I don't even know where I'm going. It's just, it's a small room.